This inventory software tutorial explores how to manage existing groups. By way of example, here's a group for churches. We'll explore how to add a new member to an existing group, and with existing members, how to rename, move, and delete them. We'll also show how to rename the group itself and how to manage a group's default settings. First, log in as administrator and then click the Edit Groups button. Select the group you wish to edit, and then for a new entry, click the Add New button. Then type in the desired name. Click OK, and it's now added to the list. That's all there is to it. To rename an existing group member, simply select it in the list and click the Edit button. Type in the desired new name and click OK. Note that historical data will also be renamed to match. The list gets refreshed when you close the group editor. If you want an existing entry to be in a different group, select it from the list and then click the Move button. Then select the group into which you want it moved and click Move. You'll note that Black Hawk Garden is no longer in the Churches group, but rather is now in Gardens. Another thing you can do is delete an existing entry. Select the desired item and press the Delete button. It confirms that you indeed want to delete it, and also notes that any historical data associated with this entry will not be deleted. The name will simply be removed as a selection moving forward, but its historical data will remain intact. To change the name of the group itself, click on the icon in Step 3 on the main screen and click the Edit button. Select the item you wish to edit and simply type in a new description for the group. You can also edit the defaults for all group members, for example, changing the default commodity. Also note that you can edit the group members of the selected group directly from within the editor. When you're done editing groups, be sure to click on the Admin Logout button, and your system is ready. To learn more about our inventory software, you can review the manuals on the website or contact us. We'd love to help.